Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Viber activation failed. So if you can't activate your account or can't register or can't log in, let me show you a few simple fixes. So first off guys, make sure that your cellular data is turned on. Just swipe from the top into the bottom and into the menu and make sure to choose the cellular data. And also you can turn off your Wi-Fi and use your cellular data purely for this process. Sometimes they just require your cellular data to be on in order to get the codes and get the activation running. If that didn't help, guys, make sure to navigate to the Play Store, type in Viber, and then just make sure to uninstall it and then install it again. This often fixes most issues. And also you can try restarting your phone and then trying again, but usually these fixes should sort you out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.